What's up, YouTube? On today's episode, I'm filming with something new. I'm actually filming with something new right now. It's not a fancy camera or anything. I just got a new phone, which should help me out a bunch. The other phone, I was always full. That's why I've had bursts of uploading videos. I'll also do 5 or 6 in a weekend. Anyways, today we're going to start doing the exhaust on the Nissan because it is clogged. Or at least I believe the cat is clogged on that. From my understanding, they run fine without it. It might just throw a check engine code just like this. I haven't had a cat on this in 9 years. It just check engine light comes on every once in a while. It runs a little rich. But for the most part, it runs way better, and I actually got better mileage without it, and it runs smoother and stuff. So I'm going to do the same thing with that one. Typical Frick Garage fashion. We have to assemble something else, get it out of the way so I can work on it. Because I stole parts off this for the dually. So gonna put this back together, fill up the tires, move it out, and then I can bring the Nissan in. Okay, replace the cap, rotor, and wires. I just kind of did it in the dark off of memory. 1843657 so it's like a 98% chance I screwed this up. Oh, don't even have keys. Okay, got keys. Let's see. I don't even know if this battery's good. Oop. Nope. Okay, booster pack. Booster pack's on. Okay, got the Suburban running. Problem was I had the right order. Just apparently one on that one was for some reason not at the front. It was over. So moved them all over one, fired right up. So I don't have that problem with the dually or the Beaumont. One was one. Okay, we are under Nissan again. You guys have been under here many times. And we'll do just a quick recap on this. Okay, good, didn't run it too long. It's warm, but it's not too bad. Flip the camera around. Okay, here's the cat. First I gotta find where this goes. Up there, so I can block it off. Other than that, I think if we unbolt it there and then cut this flange off and re-weld that flange to a new piece of exhaust, I can just take that out. Just hack the rest out like we did the Avalanche, and then probably put my thrush right here, right behind this cross member, and then from the back of the thrush, some 3-inch. I might just get lazy and do a dump here, or I might go over and out the side of the box. Not too sure yet. We'll see how I'm feeling, and maybe get rid of some of this wiring while we're down here. Okay, I followed it. It's actually this thing here. It goes up and over to this box thing here. And then there's some power and some vacuum lines to that, which one's not even connected. It's supposed to be this one? Nope. I think that's, oh, that's, okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm just kind of going through all this stuff. Yeah. That thing, whatever it is, it's not even connected either. So, do I just cut it and see how she runs? Or do I somehow plug it off? Or remove it entirely? I think we'll just cut the cat out, see how she runs, take her for a boot, just straight pipe, see if we need to fix anything. I got scared. Almost died. Okay, I'm gonna start it, see how much the muffler itself did. Still running with just the cat. Can't run it too long because it is over a pit. Exhaust gases will fill up the pit and kind of stay in here, and then, well, we don't know what could happen with that. Okay, I went inside for a break, let the exhaust clear out in here. The next step, the 2 bolts that hold the cat in. I didn't film it, but I already zipped off the little bracket holding it on, and I cut the little tube coming from the cat. So it's just the 2 bolts, and then we can see how she runs, take her for a rip, piss off the neighbors, all the good stuff. Okay, well, there she is. Let's go see how she sounds. Dang it. Neutral wiggle. Oh yeah, she's a tractor. Okay, let's see how this thing drives. Sounds like a tractor. Brought my earmuffs just in case. That's wicked. Definitely gonna keep the RPMs down through the neighborhood. Engine light codes. Although I don't even know if that light works. I could have 10 codes I'm throwing right now. No idea. Okay, I think I got the camera fixed. Guess I'll try to hold it during turns. My truck in the neighborhood, so if I piss somebody off, it's not like it's one of 50 other trucks that are in the neighborhood. And there's a lot of cops that hang out around here, so trying to keep under the radar, especially since lately they're cracking down on stuff. roads, being stupid at car meets. So they actually shut down the local car meet around here. It's actually blocked off on weekends. You can't get into the parking lot. And now they're setting up random stops, checking for mud flaps and tint and exhaust. And well, as you've seen, my truck, the tires stick way out, dinky little mud flaps on the back, no mud flaps on the front, getting attacked by the camera. Oh, it's just going bad. Okay. Yeah, anyways, as you know, my tires stick out a lot. I got little mud flaps on the back, no mud flaps on the front. Now no exhaust. Could be a lot of tickets that I can't afford. But I also don't want to do anything about the mud flaps and the tires sticking out. I like it. So I guess if I get a ticket, that's on me. So far I've been left alone. Right past cops. They left me alone, but I didn't have a loud exhaust. Now I do. Okay, we're about to get, oh, never mind, yellow light. Red light. Okay, after this light, we're gonna get onto the main highway here. And, I hope I don't sound like that, actually. I probably do. That sounded horrible. Yeah, we're getting on the main highway here. I'll see if we can get up to highway speed now. And now it'll be a little more aggressive, even though cops are probably down there too. Yeah, let's punch it. Okay, back home from the test drive. I don't actually even know how much of that is usable footage. If I don't show any of it, just know the camera kept falling over. I did have my window down so we could hear the exhaust. So while I was talking, I don't even know if the camera picked me up or the exhaust. I don't know how good the mic is on this new phone. Yeah, so, but it's loud. I managed to get up to highway speed somehow, even though the lady in front of me was merging doing 60. Well, actually, she didn't even merge. My plan was to go only from one exit to the next, and it's a new lane when it comes onto the highway, and then that lane leaves. So I was going to just stay in that lane. I had to actually pass her and change lanes past her and then get back over into the exit lane. Just to see if I could get it up to 100, which I actually got it up to, 105, 110. She still was underpowered, but it's progress, so. And I didn't throw any codes, but I don't even know if the check engine light works. But it ran.